have to like bend down here. Hello everybody. Actually, this is probably not even gonna work because I need to stand up here to do this. Oh, whoopsies. Okay, we need to find something higher to put tripod on. Okay, back on a better try maybe. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is super casual, really chill, because I really just wanted to try this out and I thought I may as well record it anyway. So I'm gonna try out the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. So this is what it looks like here. I can't see myself, so that's where I'm looking. I got the shade light brown, and I have heard nothing about this. I don't know anything about it. I didn't read anything, so this should be fun. It's got tape on it, yay. Yeah, so I got the lighter shade. Obviously I have blonde hair and I have really light eyebrows anyway, so I wouldn't go and get anything too dark, but I am all for things that save me time, and my eyebrows probably take the longest out of everything to do in the morning, so if this works, cool. I also have no idea how long this is supposed to last because it has no indication on this. It just says last days. So I just picked this up from Priceline. I think it was $17 and it was on a sale. So this is what it looks like here. And then it's just like an applicator. Oh, I'm so scared. I don't know if you're even going to be able to see me do this. So, yeah, no, that's close enough. Okay. So it just says all you do is apply it, let it dry for at least 20 minutes and peel it off. So I haven't done any patch tests because I can't bother to patch test. I've had my eyebrows tinted before, so if I'm allergic, I'm allergic, and I guess we'll find out. Don't try this at home. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna like put it on as though I was doing my eyebrows. Oh, it's actually like quite, I thought it would be like quite touchy. The front is actually really difficult. It smells like fake tan. Okay, I'm just gonna go, just gonna clean up a little. Actually, just gonna put a little bit more at the front of there. Because you have to peel this off, so I'm guessing it needs to be on kind of thick. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in and clean that up with a tissue. Oh, I just poked my finger right through that. I think that's fine. Okay, so this is eyebrow one. It's like kind of like sticky, so it's quite easy to apply and not mess it up. Alright, they look fine. Clean this one up because it looks atrocious. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. So it says to put on for 20 minutes. So I'm just going to set a timer for 20 minutes. And then we wait. Okay, so it's been exactly 20 minutes. So It feels dry. I realize I heard this doesn't pull my eyebrows off. And so I guess I just peel it off. This, like, there is literally no instructions to this whatsoever. So that's rude. Okay, well, I'm just gonna wing it. I guess I'll do this one. Oh. Oh, it's like coming off in weird little pieces. It's gonna take so long. Oh wait, no, here we go. We may have success. Okay, so it does actually peel off alright. I'm not seeing any of my hair come with it, so that's fine. Okay, that's, oh my god, it actually looks so cool. Okay, so like, oh, I don't know if I can get a close up, but this is it here. Pretty good. No complaints. I'm obviously not allergic to it. Ow, I ripped my hair just then. Okay. This is not as easy as the picture makes it out to be. Shocking. Okay. None of this peels consistently. That's the only annoying thing. But it's okay. Okay, I think that's all out. That's so strange. It doesn't say anything after, it just says like peel it and you're done. That's so crazy. Well, they look like I've drawn them on. Like they look good. They look like how I would put them on anyway. And that's so weird. I wonder if this will even like last a couple days. I'm gonna put my makeup on so we can see what it really looks like. So yeah, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so I'm back. I look a little bit more civilized. So this is what the brows look like with makeup on, and I think it literally looks exactly the same as if I would have done them. So I really like how they turned out. So yeah, I guess this does actually work. Like it's pretty good. I hope it does last a few days. Yeah, I think I will try and put in the description if it has still like kept up or not, or if not I'll just like update you guys on my Instagram. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this random little video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.